Now we'll complete answering number 2 in algebra. Choose the correct answer. If x power 3y power negative 3 equals 8, then y over x equal, here we have x power 3, y power negative 3. We'll answer this using this way. We'll make it like this, x power 3. Of course, power here is negative, that means it will be over y power 3. All this equals 8. Now to calculate the value of x divide y, we'll take cube root for both sides. Cube root for this side and the cube root for this side. That means x over y equals 2. But in the exercise he wants y over x, so we'll make it upside down and choose 1 over 2. Now the expression x power 2 plus 4x plus a is a perfect square when a equal a here, the third term. To get it, we'll take the middle term 4 divided by 2 multiplied by the root of the first term. Here we have x power 2 multiplied by 1, the root of 1 is 1, and make this power 2. 4 divide 2 multiply 1 equals 2. 2 power 2 equals 4, so now we will choose 4. So this is the value of a. The solution set of the equation x power 2 minus x equals 0 is a space where x belongs to R. Here we will factorize this part and we'll take the common factor x. What's remained here? X power 2 divide x, we have x minus x divided by the common factor x, it will be 1, this equals 0. That means x may be equal 0 or x minus 1 equals 0. That means we have two values of x, the first is 0 and the second is 1. We will choose this. In the opposite figure, the shaded region represents the space of the circle. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts and we shade 1, so now we have 1 over 8. If 3 power x plus 3 power x plus 3 power x equals 1, then x equal 3 power x here repeated 3 times. That means it's like it multiplied by 3. All this equals 1. Here's of course 3 power 1. Of course 1 here means that we have 3 power 0. We'll add powers in this side. X plus 1 equals 0. That means x equals negative 1. If 6 power x equals 11, then 6 power x plus 1, 6 plus 6 power x plus 1 means 6 power x multiplied by 6 power 1. 6 power x equals 11. multiplied by 6 power 1 6. 11 multiplied by 6 equals 66. That means our answer here will be 66. The third question here, factorize each of the following. Here we have 4x power 2 minus 9. Here we have difference between two squares. We'll make two brackets, one positive, one negative, and take the root for the first. It will be 2x, and here also 2x. And here we have 9, take its square root 3, and repeat it here 3. Now we have sum of two cubes. We'll factorize it like this. We'll have two brackets, one big, one small, and the first one will take cube root of x power 3x and write it here x power 2. And the 8 will take its cube root 2 and make it here 2 power 2 equals of course 4, and we write it plus. Now same sign here, plus, inverse it here and multiply 2 by x, it will equal to x. X power 2 minus 5x. Here we will take x as a common factor. Now x power 2 divide x, we have x, and the 5x divide x equals 5. Here factorize x power 2 minus x minus 6, we'll factorize it like this. We have two brackets, here x and here also x. Now we need two numbers, their product 6, and because we have here minus, their difference equals 1. Of course 6 equals 6 multiply 1 or 2 multiply 3. But we'll take the numbers which their difference equals 1. That means we'll take 2 and 3. And the greater will take this sign. So now this is negative and this is positive. Now we will answer exercise number 4. Find the solution set of the equation x belong the equation when x belong to R, and here x power 2 minus x minus 6 equals 0. As we make it in the last exercise, we'll make it like this. X power 2 will make it here x and here also x. Of course this equals 0. Now two numbers, product 6 and difference 1. We have 1 multiply 6 and 2 multiply 3. But we said the difference 1, so we choose 2 and 3. And the greater take this sign negative and here positive. That means x plus 2 may be equal 0 or x minus 3 equal 0. That means x here equals negative 1, negative 2, I'm sorry, or x equals 3. That means the solution set equals negative 2 and 3. Simplify to the simplest form. Root 2 power 5 multiply 3 power negative 2 divide 3 multiply root 2 power 9. We'll answer this like this. Here we have root 5 power 5 and here root 5 power 9. Now subtract powers. We will have root 2 power negative 4 multiply 3 power, subtract powers, negative 2 minus 1 negative 3. As you can see, we have negative powers. We'll answer it quickly. That means root 2 in the denominator and 3 also in denominator, but quickly we'll take half of the power. That means we have 2 power 2 multiply 3 power 3 equals 1 over multiply 2 power 2 equal 4, 3 power 3 equal 27, 4 multiply 27 equals 108.